Rev up your engines! It's time for the Scotty Kilmer channel. Welcome to Mechanic Monday. Today I'm going to give you the top 5 tips to make your car last as long as it possibly can. Now the first tip is to change your engine oil regularly. And if you do no other maintenance on your car, do that. That's what makes them last the longest. And be sure to use the oil that's specified. Here on the cap, this one says 10W30. And with late model cars, it's even more important because a lot of them are made only to use synthetic oil. They got to use a 0W10 or 0W20 oil. So they're so complicated inside with variable valve timing. They have to have very good oil flow. You got to keep it clean and you have to use the correct viscosity. Now the next maintenance item, and one that's often forgotten, is power steering fluid. Check this out. Well, check it. It's black. It's supposed to be red. You heard that whining? That means the pump's warm. If it's really low on fluid, it can whine too, but this is completely full of fluid. The dirty fluid has worn it all. Now it needs some expensive work. Now, if you would have just changed the power steering fluid, you don't need to do it that often. Maybe once every 4 or 5 years. It'd keep it clean, and then it wouldn't have those problems. Now, the third tip has to do with your body. If you want to keep your car shiny, you want to wax the thing. It's a good idea to wax it 4 times a year, once a season. As nutty as it sounds, the paint on your car has to remain somewhat flexible. Waxing keeps it flexible. If it's not and it dries up, then your paint all cracks and looks horrible. This Lexus might be 16 years old, but it still shines like mad because it's been waxed regularly. And the fourth maintenance item is coolant. Now, decades ago, you had to change the coolant every 3 years because that's all it was good for. But modern cars use extended life, so check with your car what it uses. For example, this Peak is 150,000 miles or 5 years. So that's when you change the fluid. Some even go 7 years or 200,000 miles. Just check on what yours is and change it at those intervals. Put it this way, coolant is cheap. Engines are super expensive. And the fifth tip is change your automatic transmission fluid. It gets dirty over time. And again, decades ago when I was young, they told you to change the automatic transmission filter and fluid every 30,000 miles. Now modern cars have better metal and technology in them. You can change them a lot less frequently, but I still don't believe in this lifetime fluid nonsense. All fluids get dirty and start to wear stuff internally from friction. And you'd want to use the correct fluid, just like the oil. You want to use the one that manufacturer uses. But you still want to change it, say, every 40 to 70,000 miles if you're like me and want to drive your car a long time. My work car has had the fluid changed regularly, and it's got 239,000 miles and still shifts like a dream. Don't expect that with any lifetime fluids that you never change. And since it's Mechanic Monday, today I'm giving away a signed copy of my book about car maintenance and buying a used car. To win it, just put a clean, non-offensive comment in the YouTube comments below, and the winner will be chosen randomly by a computer. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck in the contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.